In a medium mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of salt, add 3 tablespoons of pepper, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, and finally 2 teaspoons of red cayenne pepper. We mix it up to where it's really consistent throughout. We're going to divide that where we've got about half and half. 3 cups of all-purpose flour. There's 1, 2, 3. And we're going to mix it up till it's all incorporated. Now we're going to take that remaining spices. We're going to pour them all over the chicken. And we're just going to kind of toss the chicken till it's nice and evenly coated. Now we're going to add 3 cups of low-fat buttermilk. It's the only buttermilk I could find. I would have tried regular, but doesn't seem like 3 is going to do it. We'll go with 4. I think we're going to add a little bit more buttermilk. I probably put too much chicken in there is probably the problem. I'm going to go ahead and cover this. Put that in the refrigerator. I'm using just some canola oil. We're bringing that up to about 325 degrees. Getting close. The chicken's chilled in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. We're going to take this chicken and we're going to double bread it back into the buttermilk mixture. Then it's going back into the flour. We're going to put that in the frying pan. As you can see, I didn't do something right. The chicken has lost the crust. All the crust has come over here. But I'm still going to drizzle that in honey and check it out because I bet it's good. For this, we're going to use some Pennington Farms Mississippi Wildflower honey. It's local. And we're just going to drizzle a little bit on the. It's probably a little bit like, pork rinds or something. I don't know. But I love the crust on the honey anyhow. Or the crust on fried chicken anyhow. That's really good. Be better on the chicken. Let's try it. Pretty much a complete failure. Couldn't get the crust to stay on the chicken. I can tell you that crust was mighty tasty though. I can only imagine it'd be even better if it stuck to the chicken. Y'all have a good one.